You might have heard of this term before, but today we're going to answer the question, will there be a Santa Claus rally in 2018? Let's jump into this video. The concept of a Santa Claus rally is that stocks rally in the month of December. It's about a 1.7 return in the stock market going back to 1950. So it's not a matter of whether or not this is a pattern. The pattern does exist. The question is, will it happen this year? But what happened in 1950 in the stock market isn't as relevant as what's happening today. So what I like to do in these seasonal type patterns is to have a look at the most recent price action data. So let's take a look. Here is a chart of the stock market so far this year in 2018 of December. Now, let's look at what happened in 2017 of December. 2016 and 2015. And last but not least, 2014. As we could see in 2017 and 2016, the Santa Claus rally worked well. The stock market rallied in each one of these 2 years. However, when you look at the comparison to 2014 with 2018, you could really begin to see that that year in 2014, early December, the market sold off first, followed by a mid-month recovery and rally to the upside. This is a strong seasonal pattern, and what I'm seeing this year in the stock market is a lot more fear and a lot more uncertainty in the market environment. This is because of escalating trade war with China, the Huawei executive arrest, the OPEC deal, the continuous rate hike cycle from the Federal Reserve, and much more. So there's a lot more fear priced into the market at the moment than any one of the previous examples that we had looked at. However, we're right on the cusp of where the Santa Claus rally should begin. So in the next couple of weeks, we're expecting to see a little bit of upside momentum if the lows hold at the current levels. One key level that I'm looking at is on the S&P 500 futures at 2675 quarter. At this level, the 2018 market is null, which means above there, there's gains, below there, we're red for the year. Traders are fighting for that level. If we manage to hold the 2018 open level and we see a little bit of a bid over the next couple days, we can expect to see a little bit of a Santa Claus rally. Also, this Friday coming up, this is the Friday before the quad witch and the last quad witch of the year in December. This is when stocks, options, and futures expire together on the same day. If you want to learn more about quad witching, click the link below in the description and we have a video prepared for you there. The Friday before the quad witch tends to be the market low. So this upcoming week, we have an opportunity to put in a low and see a rally into the end of the year. One resource that I really like called the Stock Trader's Almanac, and I'll put a link to this book in the description below on Amazon, and you can purchase your copy for 2019. It's a neat little book to show you historic market trends along with information on seasonality and much more. Here's the title in the almanac. If Santa Claus should fail to call, bears may come to Broad and Wall. So basically what that means is if the Santa Claus rally fails to ignite or materialize, traditionally and statistically, we've actually seen a sharp move to the downside. The big question is, will this Santa Claus rally happen? Will the markets rebound from here, or will we sweep the lows and continue to the downside? With bond prices holding near highs, investors are saying they're a little bit more nervous than a typical year-end running into the Santa Claus rally. The next couple weeks, there's a chance for a Santa Claus rally, and if that fails, we think there's gonna be some downside to start 2019. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I wanna encourage you all to come and trade with us, be in an environment of professional traders. Every one of our subscriptions comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee, so it's virtually risk-free. If you want to learn how to trade, we have a free trading course that you can click right up top, and it'll introduce you to stocks, options, futures, and Forex. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. And remember, manage your risk and trade like a trade pro. Take care and goodbye. And happy holidays to you and your family.